Do you want to make 2018 the year you get your life back?